Never mind, you gotta go lower. Holy.
How are you gonna get it off?
That's a good question. Step on it, that shit looks crazy.
Dude, holy shit.
God, dude.
Woo. It's time, boys. It's time. Bro, this motherfucker made himself home. Look at this guy. Oh, what's up, bro? You just gonna be chilling in my bay like this? Alright guys, so we brought the Civic up here. We're ready to do some work. We're gonna bump some music. Get it going. You ready to get this bitch running?
Let's do it.
Bro, hey, the viewers are asking where Leo at. My boy right here. My boy in the
Finally
cut.
back.
For real, let's get it. Got some JDM gas coming out these injectors. Alright guys, so we were putting on the fuel rail and the lines and all that, and then oh shit. Then when we got to the regulator, we were trying to find a way to mount it because we kind of wanted to mount it right here. So we went to like, how many different stores?
Fuck, like everyone in town?
Yeah, so we went to a lot of different stores looking for like a rivet, a nut type of gun, but no one had any. So we're finally able to find this. This is like the best thing we could get. So basically this part is gonna go inside here and then it's gonna be threaded, but we wanted something that had like a hex, but they only had a Phillips, so I don't know, we'll see if we'll be able to make it work. But yeah, that took like 2 hours legit, just driving to a bunch of different stores just trying to find something so we can mount the regulator. Then when we got to the regulator, we were trying to find a way to mount it because we kind of wanted to mount it right here. So we went to like, how many different stores?
Fuck, like everyone in town?
Yeah, so we went to a lot of different stores looking for like a rivet, a nut type of gun, but no one had any. So we're finally able to find this. This is like the best thing we could get. So basically this part is gonna go inside here and then it's gonna be threaded, but we wanted something that had like a hex, but they only had a Phillips, so I don't know, we'll see if we'll be able to make it work. But yeah, that took like 2 hours legit, just driving to a bunch of different stores just trying to find something so we can mount the regulator. Alright, marked it up, so we're gonna be making the holes. So that's how it's looking so far, guys. We got the fuel rail, and then we mounted the regulator right here, and then we got the fuel filter right there. The only thing we have to do left is the return line, but we cut that line just a little bit too short. Like legit, it does not reach by a hair. So I ordered a 45-degree AN fitting, so we can put it right there, and then it'll give us just enough room to connect it. So that's what's going on. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty much on there. We got the K24 fuel rail, looks so good. I was actually thinking about painting the valve cover black too to match it, and then paint the Honda letters like close to this. It's like a silver, so I think that looked pretty good. But yeah, guys, there's a fuel rail, fuel pressure regulator, we got the fuel filter, and we got the lines. It's looking good. Also, we put on the Type S throttle body, so that's the adapter that I was waiting on. It's K-tuned as well. And yeah, I just legit just need an intake for it.
Hey, what's this hose right here in the front?
My boy smacked a dip. Not a dip, but what'd you smack?
Mountain.
A mountain. How's it looking in there?
Fucked up.
Like mine.
So my boy, oh, you can't see, but the steering wheel is actually a little bit crooked because of how hard you smacked that shit.
Hey,
It looks bad.
Y'all gotta fucking fix your streets.
Hey, which wheel is
Marcel pulled up. Corey. So Marcel actually pulled up some of the prototype air fresheners. Bro, how'd you make this, bro? It smells good. It smells good. It looks tight.
That's what I'm saying.
It looks official as fuck, like, bro. My boy just popped out.
You know how I get down? You know how I get down? Hey, if your STK right here, then who the fuck was that?
Alright guys, you already know. About to do a quick little shoot, you know, some slight. Some slight for the boy.
I got these hoes too.
Hold on, what else you got?
The sun fucking curved the fuck out of these, but I got these right here, you feel me?
Damn, hold on. My son. Oh shit, my boy making stickers too.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, when's the website coming out?
Today, dog. Today. So whatever you post this, it should be up.
Damn.
I hope.
You heard the man, guys. You heard the man. My boy coming out with fire. So yeah, right now we're gonna shoot these real quick and yeah. So Marcel's letting me put it on the wood. Ah, fuck. Ah, shit, man. I forgot how to do this, bro. Wrong window. Alright, I'm gonna go forward.
Keep going. Keep going. You got a lot of them, just keep going, keep going. Alright, right there's good.
Putting out the stance mobile. Hey, what's going on over here?
Took my wheel, bro.
Whoa. Hey Leo, why'd you take his wheel?
The fuck? Oh, that's something.
Don't put the e-brake on?
Hey Marcel, so a subscriber actually said if these are Tupac's wheels, and I
No!
Hey.
Nah, they're similar, but they're not. They're not. His, if you look in the pictures, they're step lip. They're double step. Mine are just fucking regular. And his don't even have hardware in them. They're just.
Okay.
I don't think so.
They do look super similar.
No, they're the same like design and shit, but
they
it's
just
just
have
a different, yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
forgot who I showed my cousin, and he licked.
That shit still doesn't click?
Yeah, barely.
Yeah, that's not even max all the way down,
I
guys.
can jump on it. It's up to you.
It's up to you. Nah, I should not going to know.
Yeah.
That shit look gangster as fuck.
Dude, for real. I see this shit cruising on the street, bro. I'm like, hey.
Oh, I know, he got a dead body in the back.
Shit looks fucking sick, dude.
Damn, I want to eat this.
These
I was really hoping it would be like tucking it or something.
If that shit was rolled, yeah. That shit's sitting on top of the tire. Damn.
Never mind, you gotta go lower. Holy.
How are you gonna get it off?
That's a good question. Step on it, that shit looks crazy.
Dude, holy shit.
God damn.
Yeah, that color looks sick. Miguel stopped by, you know, one time for the one time.
Man, that shit looks way more aggressive.
I fucking
now.
hate that guy.
Really,
Oh, I
bro?
couldn't wait for him
It
to
smell
leave,
like
bro.
a bag of peanuts.
So you guys, pretty much it for the vlog. Interior will probably be coming together in the next couple vlogs. I honestly forgot the dashboard is on. That looks good, but yeah, I have the base plate, so we'll be able to throw on the shifter. I forgot to bring the shifter cables, but there's that, and then the seats too. So, oh, and I still have the wheels, so yeah, still gotta do that shit. I need Marcel CRV for that. Move the seats and the cozies,
Let's do it, bro.
or the cross door,
Whichever. It don't matter.
whichever. Man, I can't wait till the shit's running, because now we gotta push it into the street. And then we gotta push it back in that way.
Yeah, I'm going.
So wait, you are home. He just goes inside,
Just
close the
locks
garage.
door, bro. Hey, Leo, what the fuck?
I sold my fucking off.
Yeah, what's this guy doing?
Nah, that should take off too fast, bro.
I tried to put the foot brake on, so it slows down a little bit.
About to eat shit. That car just keep rolling, bro. I do.
Alright, here it goes, guys.
God, wait, hold on. Leo's gone, bro.
Hey, I don't give a fuck. Tired of this shit. Tired of this shit.
This shit was originally black?
No.
No, it was red.
Red, black, blue.
Why is this shit painted black?
I did that.
Oh,
Blue.
I was like, I'm tripping. I know this shit was red when you first got it.
Yeah, that shit was,
Cause I'm looking at the fucking Macau. Where the fuck you call that shit?
Alright, so you gonna fucking go for it?
Yeah, just steer it. We'll push it. You turn it, There you go. Keep going. I got you.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today's vlog. We're gonna get some McDonald's right now.
Yeah, whatever.
Give me some McDicks.
I'm gonna just stop the channel.
McDicks.
I'm gonna be seeing my boys sometime later this week for sure. Civic vlogs gonna keep coming. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. Really helps out the video. So you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. It's lit. We about to cruise to McDonald's. Yes sir. Hey.
What?
Hey, fuck these hoes. Hey, fuck these hoes. Hold on,
Fuck them. Fuck all of them.
Like your car, buddy. Hey, it's green. Hey, you guys really homies if y'all pull up to McDonald's together?